Ever had that moment when a gust of wind shoves your bike sideways on the motorway or over a bridge? Yeah, it's not fun, but here's the thing. Crosswinds don't have to feel out of control. So today I'm going to show you how to ride confidently and safely when the wind's trying to push you offline. The first thing we need to do is we need to understand crosswinds. We need to know what we're dealing with. Crosswinds usually hit hardest on open roads, bridges, and gaps between trees or buildings. So I'm fairly open right now. Trucks and high-sided vehicles make it worse. The key is anticipating where the gust will come from, not reacting late. Bearing in mind body position and grip, you keep your body loose, grip the tank lightly with your knees, but keep your arms flexible. If you stiffen up, the wind will control you. Stay relaxed and let the bike move slightly. That movement absorbs the gusts instead of fighting them. It's also good to lean and counteract with the wind. So when the wind's pushing from one side, lean slightly into it. Not dramatically, just enough to balance it. You'll naturally find the point where the bike tracks straight again. Avoid sudden corrections. Gentle, consistent inputs keep everything nice and stable. Now, of course, there's also lane positioning and road awareness. Stay toward the side of your lane that gives you the most margin of error. If the wind's coming from the right, position slightly right. That way, if it shoves you, you drift towards the centre, not off the edge. Watch the gaps where the wind might change, like passing trucks or hedgerows opening up. Motorway winds can get sketchy, especially passing lorries. I had that once on a 125, and it really almost forced me into the side. So as you approach a truck, the wind will drop beside it, then slam you when you clear in the front. Expect that. Hold your line, keep steady throttle, and counter gently as the gust hits. Of course, this is difficult for me to emulate because you never know when a crosswind is coming. So, also bearing in mind speed control and throttle. Speed amplifies instability. Slowing just 5 or 10 miles per hour can make a massive difference. Smooth throttle equals steady traction. Avoid chopping the gas. Think of the throttle as your stability control. Bridges like the Humber, I've got a clip on the Humber actually, I crossed it over the summer, or even the 7 can get fierce crosswinds. Check warning signs if it's red or high-sided vehicles. It'll still push you around. Stay centered, relax your grip, and ride as upright as possible. Let the suspension do the work. Now, importantly, you need to stay mentally calm when you're in a crosswind situation. The scariest part of wind riding is indeed mental. Remember, the bike wants to stay upright. If you stay calm and work with the wind, not against it, you'll be surprised how stable it actually is. Confidence comes from expecting movement, not fearing it. So there you go. Stay relaxed, position smartly, keep smooth throttle, and don't fight the bike. Once you get the hang of it, windy rides become just another challenge, not something to dread. If this has helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real-world motorcycle advice. Drop a comment below. What's the windiest ride you've ever done? Stay upright, ride smart, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.